So from for a long time, like since when we were babies, we've been this gospel of balance things. You understand? Let there be balance. Focus on this and also focus on that has been preached to us. You understand? If you are going to play, let it be balanced and all of that. You understand that kind of stuff. But one thing I've realized recently is that if you are going to be exceptional at something and make a lot of money from it, there's no way it can be balanced. Like if you are either in it or out of it. If you're going to be exceptional, if you're going to be good at it and make a lot of money from it, you understand? Because the world rewards exceptional people. Sorry, I'm on the road, that's why I'm breathing so heavily. You understand? If you're going to be good at something, there's no balance. It's either you are focused on it 90% of the time or you are not. You understand? If you are just average at it, it's fine. You get paid like every other average person. But then if you want to be paid handsomely, quote unquote, you have to get really, really good at it. So like this message of balance, it has to end somewhere. You understand? And you have to understand it. If you are leaning towards something, lean toward it fully. Don't say, okay, I have to balance everything. No. If you want to be good at something, you want to be exceptional, there is no way to be balanced, because what you are even aiming at is an imbalance. You want to be part of the 1%. You want to be part of those that are exceptional, and there's no balance between average and exceptional.